Today we will talk about the Vital Force We products reviews. We have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Vital Force. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention to not make mistakes when using or purchasing Vital Force. The first thing you need to know about Vital Force is, be careful with the site that you will buy Vital Force because Vital Force is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description and comment attached to this video. So what is Vital Force, and it really works? And the answer is yes, Vital Force works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help in your health safely and naturally feeding that can provide benefits to adult men and women of all ages. And the formula works like this. Vital Force pills contain a proprietary blend of natural ingredients that have been selected for their unique detoxification and immune system support capabilities. This science-backed formula is designed to provide efficient daily supplementation that helps strengthen the immune system, cleanse the body, and boost energy. In addition to the 4 main ingredients, this powerful patented formulation takes advantage of the benefits of more than 10 secondary ingredients in each pill. Being the 4 main ingredients, cilantro, also known as coriander, is often used in traditional medicine for its potential detoxifying properties. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is sometimes used to aid digestion. It can help to stimulate the body's detoxification systems. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It is often included in detox regimens for its potential health benefits. And garlic contains sulfur compounds that are believed to have detoxifying properties. It can help activate certain enzymes in the liver that are involved in detoxification. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Vital Force, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you're realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it low. You can actually test Vital Force with a maximum of 60 days, and if you do not see results or if you do not like for any other reason, they will return your money. So be sure to use the Vital Force, but make sure you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Vital Force to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, once or twice a day, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after a 3-month period using this product. Also important for you to know, Vital Force has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy Vital Force, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and also I hope that Vital Force really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.